Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen veg at home, updated. Start by making a rich vegetable broth using mushrooms, kombu, and toasted soy for depth. Simmer gently for 30 minutes. Add miso and tamari for balanced salt and umami, then taste and adjust. Sauté garlic, ginger, and scallions separately, toss with noodles and vegetables, and finish with sesame oil, chili, and a squeeze of lime for brightness. Let's break down toppings, textures, and timing so you get a perfect bowl every time. Choose firm noodles that hold broth, roast vegetables to enhance sweetness, and prepare a quick pickled cucumber for contrast. Cook noodles just shy of done, shock in cold water, and reheat briefly in hot broth to maintain bite. Layer toppings thoughtfully, drizzle toasted sesame, and serve immediately to preserve crispness and aroma. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's a cozy kitchen companion for recipes and notes. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Your support keeps these videos coming, and small actions mean a lot. Now let's get back to the video. Broth is the heart of the bowl, so focus on depth and clarity while keeping things simple. Start with roasted vegetables and kombu for umami, add dried shiitake for earthiness, and strain for a clean finish. Use white miso for a light savory note or red miso for bolder flavor, and balance with a touch of mirin and tamari. Keep gentle heat to avoid bitterness and finish with a splash of sesame oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.